What's up guys, we're about to find out who the winner of the GoPro giveaway was. I have the video loaded up in the YouTube random comment picker. So here we have it. There were 2,421 comments altogether, and I'm about to press start to pick the random winner from the comments. And the winner is Arlen Griswold. Shout out to you, Arlen. Let's check your channel out. So there you go guys, that is the winner of the GoPro. Cool, and shout out to Arlen for winning the GoPro. Look out for the next one, probably next month sometime, and I'll see you guys in the next video.